Okay, so now let's talk about how to make this an external sheet, an external JavaScript page. This works exactly like cascading style sheets. So if you've already taken your Web 1 and 2, you should be very familiar with this process. And it can be done exactly like cascading style sheets. You can have a combination of internal and external if you so choose. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lift out all of my JavaScript here because I don't want any. Just like cascading style sheets, the advantages of using an external sheet are that you can control a lot of different web pages with just one external JavaScript page. So I'm going to go ahead and say File New, and Dreamweaver gives me the option of a new JavaScript page, but this is not magical. It is just a text file that has a .js ending. So you could do this in Notepad and just save it, take away the .txt and put a .js. So I'm going to go down here, put my code, save this as instructors. The naming convention is exactly the same as it would be for a web page. There's nothing magical about it. So I'm going to go ahead and save there. Then I'm going to go back to my rubric 2. And since I'm not going to have any code embedded in the header, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove that close tag. This should all seem familiar to you if you are familiar with web pages at all. So I'm going to go ahead and say source, browse, and I made my instructor.js, so I'll go ahead and select that. Now, of course, I'm using this in Dreamweaver. It doesn't have to be in Dreamweaver. You could be doing it in code. Now I need to close this tag, and since I'm just closing it dead like that, I'm just going to put the slash at the end. Now let's go ahead and take the live view. Even luckier, which is the exact code that the exact alert, excuse me, that we should be looking for.